Okay, so welcome ulit sa Axel Engineering. Ang topic natin ngayon is how to make cost analysis between CHP wall and drywall. Actually, this is comparative cost analysis. Okay, so before we continue, please subscribe, share, and like. Okay, let us go now to the procedures, the step. So first, we will determine the material quantity per square meter. Second, we will determine unit price per square meter, and then we will compute for the material cost. Third, after computing the material cost, we will determine the labor cost by simply getting the 0.45%. And lastly, we will make a conclusion. So, which is better? Okay. So, let us go now to CHP wall. So, these are the quantities per square meter of CHP wall, including plastering and using 1:3 cement sand ratio. So, you can do the screenshot now. Okay. For CHB, we have 12.5 pieces per square meter for cement, 0.53 bag per square meter, and sand is 0.04. So the reinforcing bars, 0.4 piece per square meter. And we will use 0.05 kilograms per square meter of tie wire. And for the plastering, two phases, cement is 0.64 bag per square meter. And the sand will be 0.054 cubic meter. So that will be good for two phases, okay? So, ito yung materyales para sa 1 square meter. Ang masonry wall, which is CHB wall. Okay, so now we will go to the drywall. So, ito yung mga materyales, quantity ng materials per square meter of drywall, including skim coating at saka jointing. So, ito na yan. So, you can do the screenshot now. Okay, so for fiber cement board, hot deflection brand, 0.73 piece per square meter. Metal stud natin will be 1.2 piece per square meter using 3 meter length. Okay, rivets ay 14 pieces per square meter at saka metals ay 4 pieces per square meter. By the way, all of these are also done on my previous videos on how to compute the unit cost for drywall and CHP wall. So, panoorin nyo, watch my previous videos on CHP wall and drywall. Okay? So, for the skim coat, let us continue. 0.15 bags per square meter. Joint tape will be 1.25 meter per square meter. Okay, let us now proceed to the unit price. So, this is self-explanatory. We'll compute the material cost and labor cost. So, again, sa mga nagdaan nating mga videos, I try to make this on a tabulation form. So, for you guys to easily understand. Okay. So, CHP, then diameter, tie wire, cement, and sand. So, this is summary. Okay. These are the unit cost. These are, you can obtain this by research or you can ask stores. Okay. So, the computation will be quantity times unit cost equals amount. Okay. Same also here. So, yun lang. Self-explanatory. Okay. So, yung pinumpit na natin as we compute, material cost for CHB is 752 per square meter. And for the drywall is 762. So, almost close the same. So, computing the labor cost using the 0.45 times material cost. By the way, 0.45, I have taught you already on how to get 0.45. This is from the 70-30 material labor ratio. So, I have also a video on this. So, panoorin nyo na lang. Watch this. Now, let us continue. So, 0.45 of 752 is 338. Check on your calculators. Also here, 762 times 0.45 is 343.13. Actually, obtaining the total material cost for CHP is almost close to the cost for the drywall per square meter. So, hindi siya naglalayo. Okay? So, pwede nyo siyang screenshot now. Ang importante dito is how to make cost comparative cost analysis. Now, let us go to the conclusion. So, for me, ang conclusion ko kasi is meron akong tatlong category. Every time siguro you will do cost analysis, comparison, you should have a category kung ano yung pinag-compare nyo. For me, I will compare the economy, the durability, and the ease in construction. Basically, ito yung pinagkukumparahan ng mga pinaglalabanan na lagi. If we will go to economy, CHP and drywall, almost the same. So, equal. They are equal, a matter of only few pesos. 15 to 20 difference. So, just the same. With regards to the durability, of course, we know that CHB is more durable than the drywall. So, I give them 3 stars and 1 star only for the drywall. Okay? So, sa ease in erection, so it is much easier, of course, to construct the drywall compared to CHB. So, if you are going to do permanent works, then much better to use CHB works. CHB. And for temporary works, use a drywall. So again, if you are going to make conclusion, use these three, okay, categories. So I hope may natutunan kayo mga fast track, and see you on the next